Angela and Alyssa channel, and I have a special guest here. Say hi.
Hello!
Yeah, and this week's theme is, can you make up a rap? Now, before I get into this, I'm just gonna say, I did do a rap a few weeks ago.
She's gonna wing it.
I'm gonna wing it, yes I am. Here we go. A 5, a 6, a 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I'm in my room, I don't know what to do, I'm sitting in my room, watching YouTube, that's all I do all day, yeah, YouTube is the best, you got all the YouTubers like I Just Eat, Fred, and who else? I don't even know, because I just watch them, because they're awesome. I'm getting a text message, actually it's not a text message, it's my mom calling me. Yo mom, what up? Yeah mom, I'm at home.
That was pretty good.
Okay. Yes.
So the dog has been let out?
Yep, the dog's been let out yet.
Was she okay during the day?
She
or
was.
did she use the bathroom in the house?
No, she was fine. Fine.
Alright, I'm just waiting for my last flight and then I'm going to be home.
Alright, mama.
I might not be home until like 4:30, 5 o'clock because I'm waiting for my friend.
It's totally alright, mama. Take your time. I don't care when you come home. I'm just online. Word.
Are the dishes done?
The dishes are done. Yet they are. There's
Is
stars.
Alicia at home?
Alicia's not home. Nope, nobody's home. I'm home alone like a hobo.
Oh, that's right, because she's going to a doctor's appointment and then she's going to Chadlu.
Oh, really? I wanted to go. Why didn't anybody take me?
Because they're going to train.
Oh, that's why.
Okay, I'll see you when I get home.
See you later, mama.
Watch the
Peace.
dog and make sure that you let her out.
I'll watch the dog, totally. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Sorry about that. My mom interrupted me. I'm gonna keep rapping till. Actually, I'm not gonna keep because you probably think this video is too long, but I'm gonna go. See you later. Peace it. Blah.